See, I just don't get why anyone would be into space. It's like, what is there to even do up there?
Well, maybe not yet, but there's actually a lot of potential for...
I mean, like, I know we've been to the moon and there's, like, satellites and stuff, but, like, does that even matter?
People really need to look at interstellar...
It's just like, we have plenty of problems here. Why do we need to go there?
Alright, I'm gonna teach you something.
What?
Space isn't just what you see in the movies. Sure, rockets are cool and all, but there's so much more to it than that. Think about the sheer size of our universe. Earth seems enormous to us, but Jupiter is 11 times the size of Earth. And it has twice the mass of all of the other planets combined. And Jupiter is still tiny. Compared to the Sun, Jupiter is extremely small. And the Sun is just one sun of the billions that are in our galaxy. And a lot of those suns have their own planets too, which means there are billions of planets just within our galaxy that could hold intelligent life. And that's just the one galaxy out of the estimated billions that exist. It might not seem like that much, but look at this picture taken by NASA's Hubble Space Telescope. Every single one of those spots is another galaxy with another billion suns and another billion planets. There is so much more beyond our planet. How could you not want to know what's out there?
Okay, sure, there are billions of stars out there, but they're all boring. I mean, what are we going to do out there? Where are we even going to start?
You start with the basics. It might seem like a daunting task, I know. However, we're so far ahead of where we were just a few decades ago. And a lot of that progress is being made without even leaving Earth. Think about SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket. It might not seem like a big deal that the rocket can land itself, but that means rockets are no longer single use. That's a huge deal.
Yeah, but still, what are you going to do out there?
There is so much more to do in space than just explore. The work being done by the crew members of the International Space Station is paving the way for humans to sustain life in space. Recently, astronauts and scientists have begun to grow plants in space. If we can produce everything we need to sustain life in space, then we don't have to build rockets to send supplies back and forth. Space exploration and humans living in space go hand in hand. Earth's gravitational field is 6 times stronger than the gravitational field on the moon. If we were able to launch from space, we would save a ton of money and fuel just getting off the ground.
Wow.
And even further, there are so many opportunities to find life in our own solar system that most people don't even know about.
Oh, come on, there's no other life in our solar system. This isn't a Michael Bay film.
Consider the moons of our gas giants Saturn and Jupiter. Saturn's moon Titan has liquid methane oceans and rivers. It could sustain life that relies on methane the same way life on Earth relies on liquid water. Or if you think that all life needs water, look at Jupiter's moon Europa. Europa is entirely covered in ice. But Jupiter's gravity pulls and stretches the moon so that all of the water underneath the ice stays liquid. That moon has an entire ocean on it. Who knows what could be hiding there?
Okay. I think I'm seeing it now, but still, like, why does it all matter? Isn't Earth enough?
Oh, you poor innocent child. Doesn't your natural curiosity make you wonder at all? Where would we be right now if we didn't have natural human curiosity? The Europeans would never have crossed the ocean to found the New World. Exploration into space is no different than that. It just requires a bit more technology. Besides, even if you aren't curious, space exploration is essential for the survival of the human race and Earth. Sure, we could probably come up with enough technology that the Earth could house as many humans as we need it to. However, the face of the Earth would never look the same again. We've already changed so much. How far are we going to push it before the Earth will never be the same again? Not only this, but think about how much we learn when we work together with other countries. Imagine how much we could gain from working together with entirely different life forms. That could be the key to understanding how life is created, or creating all of those sci-fi worlds that you see in a Michael Bay film. If we explore space, the future of the human race becomes limitless. What other reason do you need to want to find out what else is out there?
Well, I can't say I've ever thought of it like that, actually. I just have one more question.
Yeah?
Can I go to space?